Don't they make whistling tea kettles anymore? Hello, David here, and the project for today is diagnosing why this hot water pot doesn't get water hot. My daughter brought this to me. It looks pretty simple. It's made by Tenergy. There's only two components to this. The pot, which has the heating element in the bottom of the pot, and then there's the base. Let's see if there's power coming up through the base. If you're at all uncomfortable working around electronics, I suggest not doing this. Take it to a professional or throw it away and get a new one. But I've got the base plugged in. I've got my tester here. Let's see if I can find where the power comes through. There's one contact there. One in the middle. I'm going to turn the lights off so we can see the test light. Okay, here we go. So there is power coming up through the base. The contacts in the bottom of the pot don't look damaged. And there's 3 screws holding the bottom down. They look like torque spits. Let me see if I can find something that fits those. Got a T15 torque spit. Okay, the word is that if you wiggle it around, it works. Don't see any loose wires or burned wires or cut wires. The connections look solid. And I can't put the base on and then test for current here at the leads to the heater coil because the base covers everything up. These 2 terminals are glued on. They're not loose. These blue and red wires, they're not loose. Do a little pull test on that. Well, that seems sturdy. I think it might have something to do with this thermostat. I think this is a bimetal disc that shuts off when it gets hot. I think there might be something going on in there. Got the base plugged in and the base is connected to the pot. There's a blue light here and this lever there. It's making a wire out of me, but it was on. There it is. It's on now. I don't know what pushing this lever does. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's got something to do with this switch. There, it's on. When it's getting warm in the pot, I can feel the heat. But why does it shut off? Could it be detecting that there's no water in there to heat up? This wire is really close to the heating element, and this piece of insulation is turning blue, which I assume might be coming from a melted wire. I see a blister on the wire there. Let me cut that insulation open and see if it looks wonky in there. This thing looks like a resistor that's in there. I notice that the light stays on longer when I push down on this. I did clean the contacts with some brake clean, but nah, I don't trust this thing. These things cost $20 to replace. I would just chuck it and get a new one. Well, thank you guys and gals for watching. If you just leave it in one place and don't move it, it'll stay on. I put a small amount of water in there. It's sizzling pretty good. It's up to you if you want to keep this thing.